Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing crochet braids using Kima Braid's Ocean Wave hair in the color T1B30. This hair is 8 inches long and I think I used about 4 to 5 bags. The braid pattern that I use for crocheting, I do a braid on each side and I take the braid on the right side and braid it along the back of the head to the left side and then connect them. I like doing the braid across the back of the head because just like the front of your head, you have very small fine pieces of hair that is back there that you do not want to pull out. So to ensure that doing this braid across the back is better to me than having braiding the braids all the way down and risking pulling the hair. From there, I take the end of that braid and feed it into the braid next to it. I do the left side first, all the way to the middle of the head, and then I go to the right side. Since I am not starting with a braid in the very back of the head like I did on the left side, the very first braid is the braid that I will start the feed-in process with. From there, I complete the right side until I get to the middle. Once I get to the last braid, I feed in the last 2 remaining braids that I have into that last braid. Once you're done, rubber band the end of the final braid and crochet it into the braids. Instead of looping both ends through, I take one end and loop it through the hair 2 to 3 times, and then I pull both ends to secure it. This is because this hair is softer in texture and it is a looser wave pattern, so you really have to secure it so it doesn't come out. This is one of the brands that I like because the hair is really soft. Working with it is easy, maintaining it is easy. If it does get too fluffy, you can use water or foam in order to kind of flatten it out a little bit. But you can also just not put too much hair in the head. In order to not put too much hair in the head, what you can do is kind of space the pieces out first, and at the very end you can go back in and add more pieces. In the midsection of the head, I crochet through the braid in sort of a zigzag pattern to create fullness without using a lot of bags of hair. You want it to be light on the head, but you still want it to look very full. Once I get to the front of the head, I crochet using smaller pieces of hair, and rather than crocheting through the braid, I crochet under the braid. This is because at the front, this is where the braid is the smallest, so crocheting through this part is more difficult than just going underneath. Once I'm done, I shape the hair to get the straggly ends off, to shape it to my client's head, and to fit my client's liking. And now we have the finished look. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share with a friend, and I'll see you next time.